expensive fucking joint, man.
Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's Dante from GrownGreen here. Got another video for you today. Got a pack opening. Today we got a Flair Mystique 1999 NFL football cards. There's only 4 cards in this pack. I don't know what we got in here. You know, we found this out of the attic. We also got for you another football pack. This one's unopened. This is a Panini Prestige 2022 pack. So yeah, we got 2 football packs for you today. This Fleer was actually interesting because Fleer was produced. They started producing cards in football cards in 1960. So that was the first year they started producing them. So let's see what we got in here. See if we get anything interesting. Okay, we're starting with a little cover card here. See if there's anything on the back of this. Nope, just a cover card. Cool. First card we got here is a Cleveland Brown. Let's see if you guys can see that. A Mark Edwards reflector. It's pretty cool there. So there we go. It's got a little Mystique in the background. It's nice there. Next card we got is an Antonio Freeman. Nice. No Hall of Famers quite yet, but that's alright. We got a Tim DeWhite out of this one. So there was supposed to be 4 in here, so there might have been a nice card in here that my dad took out. But that's alright. Nonetheless, there's the checklist. That's the Mosaic cards. They are pretty interesting. Let's check the back out some of them. You can pause it and read everything if you'd like. But I like the design. I like the little reflector on these. Pretty cool. But let's get into the unopened pack now for you guys. We got a Panini Prestige 2022. Now, Panini actually started producing cards in 2009 when they purchased Dunross. So let's see what we got here. This has the 2022 rookie class in it, so you know who we're looking for. We're looking for a Kenny Pickett card, George Pickens card. You know, we're Steelers fans out here, so we would love that. So let's check it out. Ugh. Speaking of Steelers, Devin Duvernay. Don't like him. Alright, we got Tyron Smith, sorry. Got a Queedy Pale. I don't know how to say him. A Javon Holland. Good safety here. Flip this around. Nice, an Eagles player. Got Lane Johnson on there. Let's check the back out of these cards. Those are cool little cards here. Panini got it down pat. Like that. Got, ooh, okay. Chase Young, a potential Hall of Famer. That's a nice card there. Rashad White. Tampa Bay. He made a nice move last night in the playoff game, if you guys watched that. Unfortunately, they lost for any of you Tampa fans out there. Okay, is this a rookie card? I believe it is. Yes, it is a rookie card, as you can see up in the corner there, RC. No one too crazy. We got a Jakari Robinson, so that's cool. Wake Forest wide receiver, I'm guessing. Flip it around, yeah. You can pause it and read if you'd like. Let's see what the next card is. Okay, another rookie, little hollow there. Not the guy we're looking for, but nonetheless nice. A Devontae Price, a nice card there. Extra points, Prestige. I like the hollow on that. It's very nice. And the last card of the set. Nice. A Joe Mixon. Of course, it's got to be a Joe Mixon. Steelers fan, gotta get this Joe Mixon. Ugh. But nonetheless, he's a good player. Check the back of that out. A powerhouse card. But nonetheless, that was the card or the pack opening for you guys. We had a little modern pack compared to a retro pack. If you guys enjoyed the content, please like, subscribe. My eBay will be down in the description, guys. If you want to buy cards off me, you can. You're always welcome to. Thanks, guys. Enjoy the content. Okay, so I'm probably going to add this in the post-editing. I did not know there was a card in here. I started revealing it. And it's actually a pretty neat card, so we're going to check them out. I did not know that there was a card in here. Oh yeah, baby. Let's check him out. This is beautiful. I'll pop the price up of this for any of you Dallas Cowboy fans out there. We got the Troy Aikman Mystique Flair card. The back of that. UCLA Bruin. That's pretty cool, man. Yep.
GrownGreen.